a number of years ago, we were both aware of the original Cavalcade of Authors in Tri-Cities, and we became fast friends because we both realized we loved the concept, but it didn't exist over here.
We said we can do that because we are gluttons for punishment, and decided to assemble a board. Mm-hmm. So Karina helped with that and got Carrie and Virginia on board initially. And we kind of sat down and said, what does this look like? How do we form a nonprofit? And how do we get all our favorite authors here? And that's where Kim actually came in as a local author. She was part of our first 2 cavalcades as a faculty member.
Kids are book kids. These are kids who are giving up their whole Saturday. They're excited when they get here. As an author, it's not just a field trip to these kids. They know they're signing up for your workshop. They love your books. When I was their age, I would have loved to have had an opportunity like this to meet an author and dissect their brain a little bit.
We started with 250 students our first year. 4 years later, we have 640 students downstairs, 56 schools. We've got Oregon and Washington here. We have kids who have been here all 4 years. We have some that this is their first time, and we have teachers who have come all 4 years, and some that this is their first time. We are super excited about the authors we have downstairs, super excited about all of the students down here. They're gonna go back, they're gonna be better writers, they're gonna be better readers, and they're going to tell everybody else about the experience here. And I think the authors do too. I think that's why we continue to get really great award-winning international authors, is because they tell each other this is a really great experience and everybody has a really great day.